Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today let's learn how to do some rainbow smoky nails. So for the first step, you will need to put on a black base, which I've already done right here. And the next step, you will need some white acrylic paint. I'm going to use the one by Camel. So along with the white paint, you'll also need two brushes, a flat brush and a dry brush. I will explain to you why we need this later on. Now take a flat base where you can mix your paint with some water. I'm going to use a lid right here, but you can use any flat surface. Now take some white acrylic paint and put it on the lid. Now you can go ahead and add a bit of water to this. Now take some of that mixture and put it on your nail. Now take the dry brush that we had and pick up all of the excess acrylic paint. So I went a bit back and forth from the paint to the brush, and now this is the result. When you are doing normal smoky nails, you can leave it at that, but I thought to fill it out with some neon colors today. So these are the colors that I'm going to use right now. So take the colors that you're going to use and dab it on the lid. Just like the acrylic paints, we are going to now dilute these nail polishes with some acetone. So once the polishes are diluted, we can go ahead and put it on your nails. Let me show you how. Once you're done with applying the polish, you can go ahead and add on a top coat. So with this, we are done for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.